This is a very serious one. This is an extreme. This is called the duel.
Ta je ekstremen, zelo resen in se imenujejo duel. Just one on one.
One on one.
Dva na dva.
We will demonstrate.
En na eden.
We'll
Yes. Yes.
People point. They look at each other in the eye.
Ljudje se dotaknejo s prstom, tekmovalci, in se gledajo v oči.
They laugh together. Then we say go, and the person that laughs more about the other person wins.
Potem rečemo zdaj in tisti, ki se bolj smeji drugemu, zmaga.
We will ask the audience to judge who wins and who loses. Each time somebody is eliminated.
Tako, zdaj pa naprošamo vas, žirija, oziroma da boste vi žirija, publika, ki boste odločali, kdo gre naprej in kdo izpade.
Okay, so we're going to start at the ends. And
Začeli bomo na konci.
two. Okay, very good. Fingers touching. That's good. Yeah, one finger. That's good. Touch. Look each other in the eyes. Laughing. Ready, set, go. Time. Very good.